So we'll continue from number 11 question. We have a farmer has chickens and goats. So let's use C to represent chicken, and let's use G to represent goats. So two of them, both a chicken and a goat, they have only one head. So we have C plus G is equal to 15, equation 1. I believe by now you know how to solve this. So total legs for two of them are 38. A chicken has 2 legs, so 2 times C is 2C, plus a goat has 4 legs. 4 times G is 4G, is equal to 38, equation 2. From equation 1, let's make C the subject. C is equal to 15. When plus G comes here is minus G. Then substitute it in equation 2. What do I mean? Anywhere you see C, you replace it with 15 minus G. So I have 2 brackets. Our C is now 15 minus G plus 4G is equal to 38. Let's open the bracket. 2 times 15 is 30, minus 2 times G is 2G, plus 4G is equal to 38. Let's collect like terms. Minus 2G plus 4G is 2G, is equal to 38. When 30 comes here is minus 30. 2G is equal to 38 minus 30 will give us 8. Divide both sides by 2. Our G is equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4. Remember, we are asked how many goats are there. So you will see that the number of goats we have there are 4. Let's go to number 11. We have, this is number 11, number 12, I mean. Find the next term in the sequence. Let's look at this first 2 numbers. So what happened here? 50 minus 37 will give us 13. Let's look at this first 2. The next after this first 2, the next 2 again. We have 65 minus 50 will give us 15. Let's look at this. 82 minus 65 will give us 17. Are you seeing the pattern there? What is the difference between 13 and 15? 2. Difference between 15 and 17? 2. So it means that we are adding 2, 2, 2. So 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 plus 2 will give us 19. So it means that we'll go to this last number here and do 82 plus 19. This will give us 9 plus 2 is 11. You write 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 1, 10. So the next number in the sequence is 101. Let's go to number 13. Going to number 13 question. We have find the remainder when 3 raised to the power of 96 is divided by 10. We call it mode. Mode means that you are dividing. So I'll explain. So let me break it down. Let's say 3 raised to the power of 1. The pattern is that you start breaking it down. 3 raised to the power of 1 is 3. And you can only pick number less than 10. 3 is less than 10. And you pick the last digit if there are 2 numbers. 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. And 9 is still less than 10. 3 raised to the power of 3 is going to give you 27. So the last digit here, we'll pick it as 7. And 7 is less than 10. Because 10 going to 27 is 2 remainder 7. We are talking about the remainder. Then let's do 3 raised to the power of 4 is 81. So which will give us 1. We are picking the last digit. 10 going to 81 is 8 remainder 1. You are concerned about the remainder. If I do 3 raised to the power of 5, 2, 4, 3. I'll pick the last digit, which is 3. You can see it started from here again. If I do the same thing, I'll get 9. If I do the same thing, I'll get 7. So the 4 main pattern here, we are going to stop at the 4th one. So it means that there are 4 patterns there. So going to this 96, that is 96 divided by 4 will give you 24. What does this mean? It means that if you go back to this and do, remember I said 96 divided by 4 is 24. So if we go to this place again, let's see what we are going to get. Like I did here, there is a method I use here. that will make you to understand it. I say that we are picking the last digit, and the 4 patterns here are 3, 9, 7, and 1. 3, 9, 7, and 1. Then remember that 4 can go into 96, so the remainder we have here is 0. Remainder 0. Then what do we do now? So it means that 3 raised to the power of 96 lands on the 4th position. What do I mean? This is 3 raised to the power of 96. Remember, there are 4 patterns here. So it lands on the 4th position. So if you see what I wrote here, it lands on the 4th position, which the last digit is 1. What do I mean? Let's look at this. This is the 1st position. This is the 2nd position. This is the 3rd position. This is the 4th position. What is here is 1. So our answer is 1. But if it had only 3 patterns, it will land at this. The answer will be 7. If it had only 2 patterns, it will land at 9. So that is the logic there. Let's go to the next one. So we go to number 14. We have simplify. So let's start with this bracket here. We have 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 6 plus 1 over 2. So how do we do this? What is the LCM of 4 and 3? 12. 12 divided by 4 will give you 3. 3 times 3, 9. Minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. Divided by the LCM of 6 and 2 is 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Let's simplify. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 over 12 divided by 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 over 12. So when you introduce your times, you will interchange. What is down will go up. What is up will come down. So we now have times 12 over 4. 12 will cancel 12. So our answer is 1 times 1 is 1 over 1 times 4 is 4. So our answer is 1 over 4. Then the last question there, number 15. Evaluate 5 square. 5 square means 5 times 5, which is 25, minus bracket 18 divided by 3 is 6, plus 4. I have 25. Then let's open this bracket. We have minus 6 plus 4. Let's bring the ones that have positive together. So I have 25 plus 4 minus 6. 25 plus 4 is 29. Minus 6. 29 minus 6 will give us 23, and that is the answer. So from here we can see that we have solved from number 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and that should be the final answer. So be very careful. Like this one here, you have to, let me explain what we did here again. The LCM, like, let me check the question. We have 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3, 5 over 6 plus. Look at what I did here. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Divided by the LCM of 6 and 2 is 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. This should be plus. Sorry. So, thank God I saw it. This should be plus. This is not minus. Please take note of that. So it means that our answer will change. This should be 16. This should be 16. So be careful what you do. This should be 16. So we have 1 over 12 times 12 over 16. So our answer is 1 over 16. Please take note of that. This is plus, not minus. So see you in the next class.